Good morning, friends. We are talking today about first CMC arthritis. First carpometacarpal arthritis is basically arthritis of this joint. This is called as a carpo, that is a carpals and metacarpal, the joint between the carpals and the metacarpal, and the first joint that is called as the first carpometacarpal joint. This is one of the most common joint which is involved in arthritis in the hand. If we talk in totality, the most common joint which is involved in arthritis is the DIP joint, and this is the second most common joint which is involved in the arthritis. And it is followed by the proximal interphalangeal joint, this joint, and the MCP joint, that is these joints. As far as this joint is concerned, this joint is more commonly involved in those patients who are doing fine manual works like artists, like those who are doing drawings, those who are doing woolen works, those who are doing fine kind of a craft kind of a work. In those patients, this arthritis is more frequently seen. It is more commonly seen in females, and it is more commonly seen in Caucasian race as compared to Asians. It is more commonly seen in those patients who have a high BMI and those who are suffering from collagen disorders like an Ehlers-Danlos syndrome. It is also associated with carpal tunnel syndrome in many cases, and it is also associated with hyperextension of the carpometacarpal joint. So, if we talk about this joint in particular, it is a biconcave saddle joint, and it is caused with effect of the attenuation of the anterior oblique ligament, that is also called as the beak ligament. So this ligament becomes attenuated and then the arthritis starts. This arthritis involves four articulation. The first is a trapezio-metacarpal joint, that is the TM joints, that is actual joint between the trapezium and the metacarpal bone, the first metacarpal bone. It also involves trapezio-trapezoid joint, scaphotrapezoidal joint, and trapezoid index metacarpal joint. So this joint, this bone is in relation with four adjoining bones, and the arthritic elements is involving each of them, the most important being the trapezio-metacarpal joint. Now, there is a classification which was given by Ayton and Litter, and it is 4 grades classification. The first grade is the early stage in which there is a little joint space widening. The second stage is a stage in which there is a joint space narrowing, and there are osteophytes which are less than 2 millimeters in size. Stage 3 is significant joint narrowing along with osteophytes which are more than 2 millimeters in size, and grade 4 is a pan-trapezoidal, that is involving the STT joint as well. So this is a advanced form of first CMC arthritis. The patient presents with pain. It is difficulty in pinching, difficulty in doing work, difficulty in writing, and there is a problem with metacarpal adduction. So this movement will also be painful, and occasionally the first web space is contracted. So the patient will not be able to do abduction of the thumb. If there is this condition, you must rule out a carpal tunnel syndrome because it is significantly associated. Also, you can do a test which is called as a CMC grind test. So in which what we do is we hold the metacarpal like this and then grind the joint to elicit the pain, which is called as a CMC grind test, which can. Now, as far as the treatment is concerned, the initial treatment is conservative. We occasionally give a small splint which is called as a thumb spica splint. We can give painkillers, any painkillers, any NSAIDs will help. Occasionally we also give some local gels for pain relief, and very occasionally we also give some injections, either steroids or hyaluron injections can be given in limited number of cases. If the disease is advanced and it is causing functional limitation to the patient, we recommend surgical intervention for the patient. We have made a separate video for a surgical intervention in these cases, and I recommend you all to please see the video on surgical intervention. If you have any other queries regarding the first CMC arthritis, you can write on the comment box. Thanks a lot.